What's up, y'all? I'm Volcano with Volcanic Engineering, and guess what? We got some somewhat tech. It's a machinery project that we got going on, and I ended up getting this Evolution chop saw, and I'm about to run through a nice thick piece of aluminum. Usually I can run through steel. I haven't tried the steel just yet. This is a 3-inch piece of aluminum, and 3 by 3 5/8. It's a pretty thick block. You can see that big girl right there. You heard me? Okay, so now we're gonna cut about need to remake this part here. The whole pattern wasn't just right, so we gotta make another one. Don't have any other stock, so we're gonna chop this one off. I love this Evolution saw. It's heavy duty. It retail probably around 800 bucks. And yeah, I'll get anything else that they might have. But let's chop it. I guess you're thinking to yourself, could you, Mr. Volcano, have done that on some other type of saw? Could you done it on a chop saw? Yes, I could. Could I have done it on like a band saw? Probably would have took much longer. But this thing, as you saw, it just hogged right through it. It's got the clamps to be able to hold down the part, the block, hold it right in position. Hell, you even got another one if you want to use it as an end stop, just so you can keep putting more parts on it. I've been cutting through everything: Delrin, steel tubing, steel plate, up a 1/2 inch. Hell, I even cut some of this stuff here that's getting welded up. Tubing, rod, you name it. But see this here? See that nice finish? Yeah, it's pretty decent, right? It's pretty darn flat also. I can go right, and this is pretty dialed. Look at that. That's a pretty nice thing. It didn't walk. It didn't move. It did exactly what it was supposed to be. Now I got one flat side that I can take, and I can machine down the rest of it. So holla at me, volcanicengineering.com, and make sure you follow Volcano Tech Health and Audio right here on the YouTubes. And of course, check out one of those Evolution chop saws. They even got a skill saw that I just seen. I'm getting that next. Holla at your boy, and yeah, we'll keep on shopping it. Peace.